Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive in an exciting topic, the ultimate side hustle showdown. We are comparing some of the best online money making opportunities to help you decide which side hustle is a perfect fit for you. Whether you are a student, a full-time employee, a stay-at-home parent, or just want to earn some extra income, there is something here for everyone. So before we dive in, let's just subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First up, we have online service. This side hustle is perfect for those looking to earn some extra cash in their spare time. Companies are willing to pay for your opinion, and all you need is a computer and an internet connection. While it's relatively easy, the income potential might be limited compared to other opportunities. Next in the showdown are freelancing platforms. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, or coding, freelancing can be a great opportunity to earn money on this side. You set your own rates, work on projects you are passionate about, and enjoy the flexibility of choosing when to work. However, building a client base and getting started might take some time and effort. Moving on, we have dropshipping, a popular online business model. With dropshipping, you sell products online without holding any inventories. This side hustle offers a potential for high profits, but it also involves more responsibility like customer service and other management. It is a great choice for entrepreneurs willing to put in the work to build successful online stores. Another contender in our side hustle showdown is affiliate marketing. Methods involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral links. It's a low-cost way to get started and can lead to passive income once you build a strong affiliate network. However, success may take time and you need to build trust with your audience. For those with experience in a specific field, creating and selling online courses and ebooks can be a lucrative side hustle. It allows you to share your knowledge and skills with others while earning passive incomes. However, it requires time and effort upfront to create quality content and market your course effectively. If you love creating videos and connecting with audience, starting a YouTube channel might be your ideal side hustle. YouTube offers monetization opportunities like ad revenue, sponsorship, and merchandise sale. Keep in mind that building a successful YouTube channel takes dedication and consistent content creation. Last but not least, we have print-on-demand services. This side hustle is perfect for artists and designers who want to showcase their creativity and sell unique products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. With print on demand, you do not need to handle inventory or shipping. Makes it a low-risk opportunity. And there you have it, a side hustle showdown comparing the best online money-making opportunities. Each side hustle has its pros and cons, so it is essential to choose one that aligns with your skills, interest, and time availability. Remember, success in any side hustle requires commitment, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more side hustle tips and inspirations. Let me know in the comments which side hustle you are excited to try, or if you have any other fantastic ideas to share. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.